Shanghai Xiaolongbao is a delicate, soup-filled dumpling with a rich history. Xiaolongbao originated in Shanghai's Jiangnan region, where it remains popular. Fresh ingredients, like pork and asparagus, are essential to Xiaolongbao. Shanghai chefs carefully fold each Xiaolongbao to preserve the broth inside. Steaming baskets filled with Xiaolongbao are a common Shanghai breakfast sight. Xiaolongbao is typically served with a dipping sauce, like soy or vinegar. Shanghai's food markets offer a wide variety of Xiaolongbao ingredients. Restaurants in Shanghai often specialize in Xiaolongbao and other dumplings. Xiaolongbao is a staple of Shanghai's street food scene, especially at breakfast. Chefs in Shanghai take great care in preparing Xiaolongbao, a traditional dish. Xiaolongbao's cultural significance in Shanghai is deeply rooted in tradition. Shanghai's love for Xiaolongbao is evident in its widespread availability. Fresh pork and shrimp are essential ingredients in Xiaolongbao filling. Delicate wrapping requires precise technique and gentle hands movement. Shanghai chefs carefully select ingredients for optimal flavor combination. Key to Xiaolongbao's success lies in the balance of flavors and textures. Thin dough wrapping is crucial for containing the savory soup inside. Restaurants and street food stalls serve Xiaolongbao in traditional bamboo steamer. Skilled chefs meticulously fold and wrap each Xiaolongbao by hand daily. High-quality ingredients, like fresh ginger and scallions, elevate the dish. Xiaolongbao's signature soup is made with a rich pork or chicken broth base. Shanghai's food culture emphasizes the importance of using only fresh ingredients. Expert chefs pay close attention to detail when preparing Xiaolongbao for customers. Shanghai's expert chefs carefully prepare Xiaolongbao with fresh ingredients daily. Delicate wrapping and folding techniques are essential for these soup-filled dumplings. Each Xiaolongbao is crafted to release a burst of flavorful broth upon biting. Chefs pay close attention to the texture and consistency of the dumpling skin. Only the finest ingredients are selected for the filling and broth. Traditional Shanghai restaurants serve Xiaolongbao in steaming baskets lined with cloth. The art of making Xiaolongbao requires great skill and attention to detail. Fresh pork and vegetables are common ingredients in Xiaolongbao fillings. Shanghai's street food scene offers a variety of Xiaolongbao options for breakfast. Food market stalls often showcase the dumpling making process to customers. Careful plating and presentation are crucial for authentic Xiaolongbao experience. The combination of tender dumplings and savory broth is a hallmark of Shanghai's cuisine. In Shanghai, breakfast often features Xiaolongbao as the main attraction. Steaming baskets filled with soup-filled dumplings are a common sight. Careful folding of the dumpling wrapper is crucial for the perfect bite. Fresh ingredients, such as pork and vegetables, are essential for flavor. Chefs carefully plate each Xiaolongbao to preserve the delicate broth. Shanghai's street food scene offers a variety of Xiaolongbao options. Food market stalls showcase the art of traditional Xiaolongbao making. Hands move quickly as chefs cook and prepare the dumplings for serving. Restaurants in Shanghai often serve Xiaolongbao in a traditional setting. The combination of tender dumplings and savory broth is a hallmark. Xiaolongbao is typically served with a dipping sauce for added flavor. Shanghai's breakfast culture revolves around the delicate art of Xiaolongbao. Shanghai's street food scene is where Xiaolongbao truly comes alive daily. Vendors expertly prepare steaming baskets of Xiaolongbao for waiting crowds. Fresh ingredients are essential for creating the perfect Xiaolongbao experience. Careful folding of the dumpling wrapper is a crucial step in the process. Each Xiaolongbao is filled with a savory broth and tender pork filling. Shanghai's food market stalls offer a wide variety of Xiaolongbao options. Traditional cooking methods are still used to prepare Xiaolongbao today. Chefs carefully place the Xiaolongbao in steaming baskets for serving. The aroma of steaming Xiaolongbao fills the air in Shanghai streets. Xiaolongbao is a staple of Shanghai's breakfast culture and daily life. Restaurants and street food stalls alike serve Xiaolongbao with pride. Shanghai's love for Xiaolongbao is a testament to its enduring culinary appeal. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.